Hello friends, welcome to civil engineering exam. Today we are going to see the MCQ of limit state of design for steel. So the first question, steel is mainly an alloy of option A sulfur and zinc, option B zinc and tin, option C phosphorus and tin, option D iron and carbon. So the correct answer is option D iron and carbon. So next question, which of the following is the disadvantage of steel? Option A reusable, option B fire and corrosion resistance, option C high strength and unit masses, option D high durability. So the correct answer is option B fire and corrosion resistance. So next question, unit mass of steel is option A 450 kg per meter cube, option B 625 kg per meter cube, option C 7850 kg per meter cube, option D 500 kg per meter cube. So the correct answer is option C 7850 kg per meter cube. So next question, Poisson ratio of steel is option A 0.1, option B 1, option C 0.3, option D 2.0. So the correct answer is option C 0.3. So next question, which of the following is correct criteria to be considered while designing? Option A, structure should be aesthetically pleasing but structurally unsafe. Option B, structure should be cheap in cost even though it may be structurally unsafe. Option C, structure should be structurally safe but less durable. Option D, structure should be adequate safe should have adequate serviceability. So the correct answer is option D, structure should be adequate safe should have adequate serviceability. So next question, what is serviceability? Option A, it refers to a condition when structure is not usable. Option B, it refers to service offered in the structure. Option B, it means that the structure should perform satisfactorily under the different loads without discomfort to user. Option D, it means that structure should be economically viable. So the correct answer is option C, it means that the structure should perform satisfactorily under different loads without discomfort to user. So next question, analysis is refers to option A determination of cost of structure, option B determination of axial forces, bending moment and shear force etc. Option C determination of factor of safety, option D drafting architectural plans and drawings. So the correct answer is option B determination of axial forces, bending moment and shear forces. So next question, which method is mainly adopted for the design of steel structure as per IS code? Option A limit state method, option B working stress method, option C ultimate load method, option D earthquake load method. So the correct answer is option A limit state method. So next question, which of the following relation is correct? Option A permissible stress equal to yield stress into factor of safety. Option B permissible stress equal to yield stress divided by factor of safety. Option C yield stress equal to permissible stress divided by factor of safety. Option D permissible stress equal to yield stress minus factor of safety. So the correct answer is option B permissible stress equal to yield stress divided by factor of safety. So next question, what is load factor? Option A ratio of working load to ultimate load. Option B product of working load and ultimate load. Option C product of working load and factor of safety. Option D ratio of ultimate load to the working load. So the correct answer is option D ratio of ultimate load to the working load. So next question, limit state method is based on option A calculation on service load condition alone, option B calculation on ultimate load condition alone, option C calculation on earthquake loads, option D calculation at working loads and ultimate loads. So the correct answer is option D calculation at working loads and ultimate loads. So next question, what is the limit state? Option A acceptable limits for safety and serviceability requirement before the failure occurs. Option B acceptable limits for safety and serviceability requirements after failure occurs. Option C acceptable limits for safety after failure occurs. Option D acceptable limits for serviceability and failure occurs. So the correct answer is acceptable limits for safety and serviceability requirements before failure occurs. So next question, which of the following factors is included in the limit state of serviceability? Option A brittle failure, option B fracture due to fatigue, option C failure by excessive deformation, option D deformation and deflection adversely affecting appearance and effective use of structure. So the correct answer is option D deformation and deflection adversely affect the appearance and effective use of structure. So next question, which of the following relation is correct? Option A design load equal to characteristics load divided by partial safety factor. Option B design load equal to characteristic load into partial safety factor. Option C, design load equal to characteristics load plus partial factor safety. Option D, design load equal to characteristics load. So the correct answer is option B, design load equal to characteristics load into partial factor of safety. So next question, what is the yield strength of bolt of class 4.6? Option A 400 Newton per mm square, option B 240 Newton per mm square, option C 250 Newton per mm square, option D 500 Newton per mm square. So the correct answer is option B 240 Newton per mm square. Again we will see in next video. Thank you.